Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer technology. Today, we're diving into what many consider to be the pinnacle of Bluetooth home theater speakers, the Bose Smart Soundbar 600. Let's see what sets this beauty apart from the rest. First things first, let's talk about what makes the Bose Smart Soundbar 600 stand out in the crowded world of home audio. This isn't just your average soundbar, it's a powerhouse of immersive sound and cutting-edge technology. With Dolby Atmos support and Bose's exclusive TrueSpace technology, this soundbar delivers a level of audio quality that truly elevates your entertainment experience. Whether you're watching movies, TV shows, or listening to music, the Bose Smart Soundbar 600 ensures that every sound is crystal clear and perfectly balanced. But what about connectivity? Well, the Bose Smart Soundbar 600 has you covered there too. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Chromecast built-in compatibility, you can stream your favorite content from any device with ease. And with Amazon Alexa built right in, controlling your soundbar is as simple as using your voice. Setup is a breeze thanks to the Bose Music app, which guides you through the process step by step. Plus, with features like Voice for Video technology and Bose Simple Sync, you can take your audio experience to the next level by syncing your soundbar with other compatible Bose products. So there you have it, folks, the Bose Smart Soundbar 600. With its unparalleled sound quality, seamless connectivity, and innovative features, it's no wonder this soundbar is considered the best Bluetooth home theater speaker on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy listening.